And this be a goal! What a save! What a save! What a save! It is a penalty in favor of Parliament. As Parliament went to win today's game, all the judiciary.
The legends all brought down nicely. It's an opportunity for a shot on target. Can he go around this marker? He does. Shot on target. Goalkeeper blocks it and eventually makes a second save. And Haminu Dramani then was a member of the squad that actually went to the World Cup in Italy. Free with a free kick, floats it nicely. Goalkeeper makes a firm save, no problems at all. The supporters who followed the senior national team, the Black Stars, for their World Cup qualifier in N'Djamena, Chad, the cross is on. Goalkeeper misses a couple of headers as well, and a free Aqua could also not get to the ball.
Fantastic defending from the defense.
Kept in play, unfortunately. Charles Taylor could not get his foot to it. Parliamentarians have an opportunity. Ajiman Bedu, he is known as Kazumi, blows his whistle. See what happens. It's Godwin Atram. He goes for the bend. Classic.
Super direct free kick from Platini.
Yeah.
Godwin Atram.
Mark of Godwin Atram. The goalkeeper went up, but he was a shade late. Atram got it spot on.
It's between Tony Yeboah and Samuel Sekufo. Samuel Sekufo from 1993 to 2003.
Sure.
Before he made that move to AS Roma. 10 years playing for Bayern Munich. It's not easy.
And so did some of his colleagues on the field. We've seen Godwin Atram, we've seen Ajiman Bedu. We just saw Malam Yaya going out. A free Aqua. Yep. The list is endless. It's an opportunity. This clearly should be the welcome back goal, but there's a certain Bernard Don Bote waiting for his opportunity to come onto the field, but that was a wild miss.
2 minutes of the second half. That is why they are doing their best since they came on to the pitch.
Yeah, couldn't agree with you more. They're throwing everything at the parliamentarians, and the judiciary would want to get themselves back into the game. Here's a free kick. Looking for the shot on target, is blocked. Oh, what a mistake from the goalkeeper, and the judiciary are back in it. It has put the smiles on the face of the judiciary. That was the awkward bounce, and goalkeeper was his 6s and 7s. Not really sure what he wanted to do. The free kick effected from Charles Taylor, or by Charles Taylor, the shot from Mankwam Reku, and look at the goalkeeper. Obviously, this is not in the books of goalkeeping. I mean, look at the way he attacked the ball. Better known as Dada Don Bote. And the judiciary giving every bit of it. Blocked for a throw-in to the parliamentary team. The parliamentarians are currently playing 10 against 11. There's a player down. There's a clash of players there. The arm goes up and he says, yes, I'm in pain. It was a clash and a very solid one. One clutches the head, the other clutches the knee. Let's take a look at it again. Yeah,
that could be a serious injury for the player.
referee gives the advantage to the judiciary. He would want the ball to be positioned at the exact spot. Center referee takes a look at his watch once. Long ball into the 18-yard box. Goalkeeper comes out. Quick changes being made by both sides, and that was the infringement that brought the player down. The expertise of the legendary first. Goalkeeper saves it.
Was part of Bulaban Rajabak's team that went to the quarterfinal stage.
And it's a clean goal by the judiciary. Goalkeeper. The parliamentarians at it again. Second penalty kick. One, they scored one.
Yeah.
A ball, and the goalkeeper saves it. How the mighty are falling. Both sides have missed a penalty each. Room tunnels are officials of the two teams waiting to bring the players on the field. And that's a wild miss. Blasted it wide. Oh my word. So two misses. And the judiciary misses against the crossbar. The pressure that is on you. Went in solidly. And this time it goes to the roof. Goalkeeper stands alert. This will be a left-footed penalty kick. Can he pick a spot? Miles and miles. Has blasted it wide. Let's see what happens from this kick. It's rifled in. And the parliamentarians have it. Or should I say the eyes have it. Sweet victory for the parliamentary team. It's been lots of fun, lots of action. These ladies and gentlemen in the crowd have really enjoyed themselves. The parliamentarians cement their authority over the judiciary. Nanedu, what do you make of full-time? What do you make of the penalty kicks? Some wild penalty kicks we saw.
I think from the first kick, the parliamentarians showed that they had better kicks than the S players. I'm not really surprised before the